This week I'm testing the Subaru XV and I love the colour of this thing. These are my top 3 family-friendly baby drive features. Number 1, the auto lock and unlock doors. You don't have to fumble around in your bag for your keys, you just have to have them in your pocket. And it's as simple as that when you walk away too. Number 2 is legroom. In the back of the Subaru XV, for a small SUV like this, there's a lot of legroom and a lot of space. Number 3 is the drive. The XV is enjoyable to drive around town, and being a small SUV, it's really nice and easy to park in school car parks and supermarkets and places like that. I've really enjoyed driving the Subaru XV with my family this week. To see the full review, go to BabyDrive.com.au.